Hi, today we are going to learn if the laptop is not detecting hard drive, then what to do. If you have a laptop which is not detecting the hard disk, then what to do, we'll see today. So hard disk is connected to this connector. This is a connector. This is a two side. One, this a bigger side is for the power. Normally laptop hard disk use a 5-volt power, and this small connector is basically for the data. This 7-pin connector for the data. Pin number 1 is ground, then 4 is ground, and 7 is the ground, and pin number 2 and 3 for the received, and 5 and 6 for the transmit. Is directly connected to the PCH through a 100 nanofarad capacitors. These are the 4 capacitors, small capacitor near the connector. Then 5 volt for the power. So if you have a hard drive which is not connecting, first make sure hard drive is working. Then we'll see in this flow chart. So if you have a hard drive which is not detecting, first replace the hard drive and check, put another hard drive and confirm whether the hard drive is working or not. If the hard drive is working, then go down, then check connector like this connector, check physically, or if it is a cable is there, then check whether the cable is okay or not. Check the physically whether it is working, that connector is okay. Then if the connector is okay, then if it is a connector is problem, then replace it or just check it. Then the next is check the 5 volt. You have to check this 5 volt at this pin number 8 is this 8, 9, 10 is for the ground of 3 volt, and this 9, 10, 11 is a ground, and the rest of this 3 pins for the 5 volt. You have to check this 5 volt over here. If this 5 volt is not coming, then check the why the 5 volt is not coming, and if the 5 volt is coming, then go down, check or replace this coupling capacitor, this 4 coupling capacitor near the connector. These are the 4 capacitor. You can change directly and see the problem is solved. If you are changing this capacitor, the problem is solved, then okay. But still, if the problem is still there, then possible fault could be the PCH. Like this, we can see how this hard drive problem can be solved. Thank you.